favorite oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. They are full of fiber and healthy too. You will need butter at room temperature, refined flour, milk, chocolate chips, sugar, plain oatmeal, baking soda and vanilla essence. First, we will take some butter. Now, we'll add some sugar to it. Now we'll add vanilla and whip it together. Sugar granules make the cookie crunchy. If you like a softer cookie, you can use brown sugar. We'll add flour to this mixture. It's nicely mixed up. We'll add baking soda and mix it well. Now we'll add milk, oats and chocolate chips. Now we'll add oats. We'll add chocolate chips and stir well. We'll add the milk carefully. We don't want the mixture too runny. This is the consistency we want. Adjust the milk accordingly. We'll put this mixture on a lined baking sheet. The cookies will spread while baking. Keep ample distance between them. We'll put this tray into a preheated oven and bake it for 10 minutes at 170 degrees. I'll give it to my mom for putting it in the oven. My cookies are done. I'm not going to share them with anyone. Yummy!